Now we are moving on to the center section of the daisy, and here I'm taking chrome yellow and I'm going to dab using a thin brush, making dots, which is called as stippling technique. I'm adding some sap green stippling over it when it's wet. Again some yellow on it, so it's just blending in and not making the green look too dark. I ditched it in the central portion, and now I'm taking scarlet and just making small semicircles. It is the very tiny petals that we drew in the end, so they are inside the oval shape also and just a little outside also, and they are just tiny semicircles. I recommend you to zoom in the photograph of this painting and just check it out a little more clearly while painting this section. Some yellow semicircles too, and I'm gonna take a little yellow plus white also and make those lines, because plain yellow won't show over the red, so mixing yellow and white together will make them more prominent. I'm taking the white first, dipping it in the yellow, so made the color over there on the yellow cake, and I'm adding some curve lines right inside the oval and slightly even on the outer section.